Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I have my first ever try on fashion haul because I did a massive shopping spree at Prettylittle thing. So I'm very excited to show you guys the products that I got and hope you enjoy this video. So I'm just going to start off with the crop tops. So I've been wanting these for a while. I'm absolutely loving the ribbed textured fabrics. So this is just a bandeau with a little bit of like the ruffles here at the top and at the bottom. These are really cute and so easy to wear. Literally, you can style these with just some high-waisted jeans or a high-waisted skirt. They're just so easy to style and they're super comfy. I definitely think that these run a little bit big. I think all the products that I bought are a size US 10. So I've got this in red because I am loving red at the moment. So it's just this. It's really cute. The next thing that I got is this crop top here. So it's the same thing, the ribbed material here, but I loved it because of this zipper detailing. I think it's so adorable and it just is really different. I like it. A really nice basic to have. Then I got this plain black long sleeve crop top, but down the bottom here it has like that sports elastic with the Prettylittle thing written across it, which I'm absolutely loving. The material is a little bit thinner than I expected. It's like a little bit see-through, but you know, all in all for the price it is really cute and it's really comfortable. So then moving on to dresses, I got this spaghetti strap black bodycon. It's just a long straight dress. I do feel like this runs a little bit small. This is also US size 10, but the material is a little bit thin. I mean, it's got the lining up here at the top. The rest of it is pretty sheer and it is a little bit tight and short. But you know, it's cute. Even in winter you can wear it. You can just wear like a nice long fur coat, an oversized denim jacket with some knee-high boots. I think it is really cute. The next dress that I got looked so cute online. I was absolutely loving it. Basically it is a like semi turtleneck kind of collar up here. It's just black sleeves and all the way like down like a bodycon, but it's basically got a cutout and then it's just got like two tie-up straps at the back. So it's kind of like a backless dress here and it's got a low back down the bottom. I just thought this was like honestly so cute to wear, and I love like this turtleneck cut for winter. It's so cute, like makes you feel like wintry and cozy. Again, this fabric is kind of like that thin lycra kind of thing. Yeah, I feel like it's very thin, but being black you can kind of get away with it. Alright, so this is a play suit. Now we had a little bit of issues with this product because the one that we actually had ordered originally was just an off the shoulder black play suit with like the little cuff shoulders. So they sent us the wrong product, and when I reached out to Prettylittle thing, they kind of said that there was nothing about that they could do about it except for me paying to ship the item back, and then they would refund me for the play suit without like sending the right product that we ordered. And since we're like from Australia, it's going to cost me more to ship the product back than it is to be just than what I'm going to be refunded for this play suit. So it's kind of like not worth it in the end. So I was really disappointed with their customer service in dealing with this. I've never actually experienced a brand to be like that before, so that was a little bit of a letdown. So anyways, this play suit here is just like a cross tie front, which looks really cute. It's got the long sleeves, and then just down the bottom here it's just in the little shorts. Alright, and then I've also got this really cute, again, ribbed bodysuit. It's just a grey velvet bodysuit with a little bit of a lower back here. I think this is so nice. Definitely love grey for winter. The only issue that I had with this play suit was because the lining ends only at the top here. When you actually wear the bodysuit, it tends to slide down like this, so then the lining keeps coming up when I wear it, which is really frustrating. And also when I messaged Prettylittle thing about this, I actually said that that was faulty and they just wanted me to return it so they could refund me instead of sending me a replacement product. And again, that was a little bit disappointing. Prettylittle thing, please get your shit together because I love your products. Just wish the customer service was just a little bit better. So this bodysuit fits really cute. It's really snug to the body. This looks so cute wearing some high-waisted jeans with this, you know, and a cute like a leather jacket and a hat and a scarf. It's really cute to wear. Alright, moving on to bottoms. I got some of these high-waisted shorts which I obviously didn't read the product description because I thought they were just going to be like kind of cotton fabric high-waisted shorts. They're actually like that shiny kind of lycra, which you can't really see in the camera. But all in all, these are really comfortable shorts when you're wearing like oversized jumpers and stuff and you just need to have some shorties underneath. These are really good. They're super stretchy. I feel like I could have gone down a size in these. So then I also got a pair of these swimming bottoms. Like I said, I am loving like the sport elastic, especially that's got Prettylittle thing on it. I love the branding. I think it's so cute. So I've got these bottoms. So they're just like a high cut, high waisted swimming bottoms. I was actually going to get the top to go with it, but I feel like there was too much of like this pattern on it, so I would probably just wear this with a plain black bandeau. These are also really good to wear when you're wearing like tracksuit pants, but you want to kind of show, you know, this elastic underneath. I think these are so cute and they're really comfortable. The sizing is perfect, and yeah, can't say anything bad about them. I love them, so I can't wait to wear these in summer. I've got a knitted jacket. So it's just this one here. I've worn this like to death. I've worn this to death so far. Now it's a little hard to show on, but you'll see it on camera. So basically it just wraps around really nicely, and because it's very oversized, like the sleeves are like massively like puffy, and then it cuffs into like this little section here. I love wearing it like off the shoulder with just some high-waisted jeans. It's so nice for winter. Like the fabric is so warm. Absolutely love it. I didn't think it would be this comfortable, but it really is so comfortable. And you know, this is in a size large, so it's very oversized. I could have easily gone a size down, but I like wearing things baggy anyway. But yeah, this is so cute. It's just, oh, you need this jacket in your life. It's just so comfortable. Oh yes, and last but not least, I went and got one of these visors. So excited to have it. So I got this visor, like, let's just be extra for a little bit. I thought it was so cute for like when I go on holidays and you can be all like, you know, Nicki Minaj style. I don't actually know if this like actually helps with the sun visors. I've yet to test it out, but I just think it looks really cute. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I actually enjoyed sharing my products with you, and you know, if I do some more bigger like shopping hauls, I definitely will make videos of them to show you guys if you're interested. Be sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got a lot more fun DIYs coming your way. If you have any questions about the fits of the products or anything like that, be sure to message me, leave me a comment down below, or message me on Instagram.